Yes, hello. So, how are you all? My name is Yugesh, and we are doing Standard 12, Part 1, Chapter number 4, Time Series. Okay, we have completed many topics in Time Series. We have started with components of Time Series. Yes, you remember all the things? Just let's quickly revise it. We have started with components of time series. Okay, there were 4 components if you remember. One was long term component, one was seasonal component, one was a cyclical component, and one was a random component. Okay, so we have done 4 type of components. Then I told you that there are 2 methods of time series. Okay, what are the 2 methods? One was graphical method and another was method of least square. In the method of least square, the formulas were, okay, there were 3 steps as you all know. Formula was b is equal to n sigma ty minus sigma t sigma y upon n sigma t square minus sigma t whole square. A is equal to y bar minus b t bar and y cap is equal to a plus b into t. Okay, so this was your formula. Okay, so far we have completed illustration number 1 to 6, and today we will be doing illustration number 7. Obtain the linear equation for trend for a time series with n is equal to 8, sigma y is equal to 344, sigma ty is equal to 1342. So how will you solve this sum? Let me tell you that the given information is only this much. Okay, the given information is only this much. That means only n is given, only sigma y is given, and only sigma ty is given. Sir, only means, let's try this sum. If you write this formula, b is equal to n sigma ty minus sigma t sigma y upon n sigma t square minus sigma t whole square. Now if you will realize, there is value of n, yes. There is value of sigma ty, yes. Is there any value for sigma t? Yes? No. Is there any value for sigma y? Yes. But there is no sigma t. Okay. Now if you will see n sigma t square, can you see sigma t square anywhere? No. No. Then what we will do for that? Okay. Do you think there is any mistake in the question? Okay, some student asked me in the exam. Okay, in exam this was the sum, n is equal to 8 sigma y 344 sigma t, and the student called me that sir there is a mistake, sigma t and sigma t square is not given in the question. But let me tell you that there is not a mistake in the question. Okay, then how can I find sigma t and sigma t square? Okay, as I told you that if there are 8 years, okay, once I told you that if there are 5 years, I am just taking an example. If there are 5 years, then your t must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This your t is always starting from 1 and ending to the number of years, whatever they are maybe. Okay. So if your n is 8, your t will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Yes, exactly. So in this way you need to find the t. So if you will write your t as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and total of t 1 to 7 is 28. If there is a t, you can find t square easily. Yes, obviously, yes. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. Okay. So your t square is 149, 16, 25, 36, 49. That is 204. Okay. Now let us come to the formula. B is equal to n sigma ty minus sigma t sigma y upon n sigma t square minus sigma t whole square. So I hope you all are writing with me. Just write first question, then write this two columns t square, and then you are writing this formula of B. Then you have to put the values in the formula. So how will you put the values? N is 7. Okay, actually there is a mistake in the question. Okay, so there is a bit mistake in the question maybe, so we will correct it. Let's okay, you can do one thing, you can see in the textbook, or maybe there is a typing error in my particular illustration. Okay, we can do one thing, we have almost same sum from the exercise. Okay, we are doing this because there might be some mistaken answer in that particular sum. Okay, I'll teach you the same sum from the exercise section D and 4 sigma y sigma ty. So my topic was that in this question only three informations are given, n sigma y sigma ty, and as I told you that there is not a single mistake, everything is correct. So if n is 4, your t will be 1, 2, 3, 4. If you will do the total, it will be 10. Your t square will be 1, 4, 9 and 16. So your t square will be 30. Okay. So first of all, what you will do, as n is 4, you will find t. T is 1, 2, 3, 4, total is 10. Then sigma t square is 1, 4, 9, 16 and 30. Then your B is n sigma ty minus sigma t sigma y upon n sigma t square minus sigma t whole square. Then your B is 4 into 734 minus 10 into 270 upon 4 into 30 minus 10 square. So your B is 4 into 734 minus 10 into 270 upon 4 into 30 minus 10 square. See. Now you can see the things. Okay. N is 4. Okay. Sigma ty is 734. Sigma t is total of t. sigma y is given in the question, upon n sigma t square is here, minus sigma t whole square. Okay, so if you will solve this, 4 into 734, 4 into 734 and 10 into 270, you will be getting this 2936 and 2700. 30 into 4 is 120 and square of 10 is 100. So if you will solve this, 2936 minus 2700 is 36. 120 minus 100 is 20. So your answer is 11.8. Now we will find the A. A is y bar minus b t bar. So where is y bar and t bar? Yes, you can find it yourself, y bar and t bar. Yes or no? See, if you want to find t bar, it's sigma t upon n. It's 10 upon 4, that is 2.5. And if you want to find y bar, it is sigma y upon n, that is 270 upon 4, it is 67.5. Yes, so it was easy. So A is y bar minus b t bar, then y bar is 67.5 minus 11.8 into 2.5. 67.5 minus 29.5 is 38. So y cap is equal to a plus bt, 38 plus 11.8 into t. Okay, I have taken a sum from the exercise to revise the topic. Find a linear equation using method of least square for the trend of production from the following data about sugar production of a country recorded for last 6 years. Find the trend estimate for the production of years 16, 17 and 17, 18. Year 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15 and sugar production 29.2, 34.2, 35.4, 36.4, 33.6 and 37.7 is given. So years are given from 9, 10 up to 14, 15. As I told you that there are 6 years, so your T will be starting from 1, 2, 3 and will go up to 6. Your YT will be 29.2, 34.2 and will go up to 37.7. So your total of Y is 206.5. Then your total of T is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that is 21. Then T square is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, total is 91. So you will be finding Y bar, or Y bar is what? Total of Y upon N. So it's 206.5 upon 6, that is 34.42. Then total of T bar. So total of T bar is sigma T upon N. Sigma T is total of T, that is 21 upon N, N is 6. 21 upon 6 is 3.5. So this is the data with us. N is equal to 6, sigma T is equal to 21, sigma Y is equal to 206.5 and Ty is 743.6 and T square is 91. Your B is N sigma Ty minus sigma T sigma Y upon N sigma T square minus sigma T whole square. So your B is 6 into 743.6 minus 21 into 206.5 upon 6 into 91 minus 21 square. Let us solve this sum. 6 into 743.6. Take your calculator. What's the answer? It's 4461.6. Then 21 multiplied by 206.5. It's 4336.5. 91 into 6 comes to 546. Square of 21 is 441. Then B is equal to 125.1 upon 105. So your B is 119. A is equal to Y bar minus B T bar. A is equal to 34.42 minus 1.19 into 3.5. Now, what is this 33.5 into 1.19? It's 34.42 minus 4.17. It's 30.25. Now y cap is equal to A plus B into T. What is y cap? 30.25. Yes, this is A, 30.25, and this is B. Okay, 1.19. Now what is the question? Let's go back to the question. In question, 2009-10 is 1, 10-11 is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are there. What is asked to you? First of all, linear equation is asked. So we have solved the linear equation. Okay, y cap is equal to. So that is the linear equation. Then you are asked to try find the trend estimate for 16, 17 and 17, 18. So what are the T for these 2 years? 16, 17 and 17, 18. Do you think it is 7 and 8? Yes or no? If you are thinking that up to 6 is there in the question, this will be 7 and this will be 8. Then you are thinking wrong. Okay. You don't have to see like this, but you have to see like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This ends to 14, 15. You can see from the beginning 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 14, 15. 12, 13, 13, 14 and 14, 15. After 14, 15, there will be a year called 15, 16. There will be a year called 16, 17. And after that, there will be a year called 17, 18. Okay. Now, if there is a T as 6 here, T will be 7 here, 8 here and 9 here. Okay, we are going in the sequence. If 14, 15 is 6, then 15, 16 and 7. 16, 17 is 8 and 17, 18 is 9. What is asked to you? You are asked 16, 17 and another 17, 18. So what is 16, 17 for you? 16, 17 for you is 8. And what is 17, 18 for you? 17, 18 for you is 9. So you are asked T is equal to 8 and T is equal to 9. Yes, exactly. So this we have solved the equation. Y cap is equal to 30.25 plus 1.9t. Now we are finding trend estimate for the year 2016 and 17. And as I told you that for year 2016 and 17, I will take T as 8. Now your Y cap is equal to 30.25 plus 1.19 into T. So your Y cap is 30.25 plus 1.19 into T. Y cap is equal to 30.25 plus 9.52 is 39.77. Go to find the trend estimate for the year 17-18. Okay, now as I told you that for 16-17, if it is 8, then for 17-18 it will be 9. Yes. So your Y cap is 30.25 plus 1.19t. So if you will multiply 9 with 1.19, it's 10.71 plus 30.25. Y cap is 40.96. Okay. So far we have done in the chapter graphical method and method of least square, and the method of least square we have completed. These all were the topics in method of least square.